Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 9 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then, you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 9 maths, click on view all lessons, and we're going to start with the chapter geometry. But we're actually working on the chapter geometry. So here is the list of the lessons we're going to cover today. They are area and perimeter word problems, then volume, surface area, similar figures, side lengths, and angle measures. These are the four topics we are going to cover today. Okay, please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Got it? Let's start with the first topic, that is area and perimeter word problems. Let me write down the lesson name. Area and perimeter word problem. Okay, let's start with the first topic, area and perimeter word problems. So here is the topic. Okay, let's start with the first example. The perimeter of the greeting card is 84 centimeters. The greeting card is 17 meters wide. How tall it is? The perimeter of a greeting card. Okay, the perimeter is 84 centimeter, wide 17 centimeter. 17 centimeter wide card is, we have to find the length of the card. Got it? So for the perimeter, we have to add all four side lengths. Got it? So perimeter should be L plus 17 and plus 17. Got it? So we have the value of the perimeter, it is 84. L plus L makes 2L, and 17 plus 17 makes 34. Got it? Just subtract 84 to the other side, it would be 34 to the other side, it would be 84 minus 34 equals 2L. So 84 minus 34 is 50. 50 equals 2L. Divide both sides by 2 because you have to find the value of 2. Then it would be L equals 25. That means the length of the each side is, this is 25, this is 25. And when you add them all four sides, their perimeter is 84 centimeters. Got it? Got it, everyone? Please use the chat box, live chat option. If you have any questions, just write the questions in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions if you have any. Okay, let's start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is, a rectangular piece of metal has an area of 24 centimeters. If the perimeter is 20 centimeter, what are the dimensions of the piece? Got it? So rectangular, it's a rectangular shape. Okay, you are given the area is 24 square centimeters. Area equals 24 square centimeters, and the perimeter is 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. So it's a rectangular shape. Rectangular has opposite two sides equal in length. Got it? So the area of the rectangle is length time width. Got it? Yes, the area is length time width. Let's suppose this is x and this is y. Got it? So area equals xy equals 24. and the parameter is sum of all four sides. Got it? This is x, then this is also x, and this is y. So the parameter equals 20 centimeter, and the parameter is x 2x plus 2y, because two of the sides are x and two of the sides are y. Got it? Equals 20. You have two of the equations. This is one and this is the second one. You have to solve them to find the value. Let's just first take common from this one. 2 common with this one. You have x plus y equals to 20. Divide both sides by 2. It would be then x plus y equals 10. Got it? Okay, xy equals 20. You have two of the equations. Xy equals 24 and x plus y equals 10. You have to solve them to find the value of x and y. Got it? Okay, let's just find the value of x from here. It would be then x equals 10 subtract y. Put this value in equation number 1. Got it? Put it in equation 1. What happened? Equation 1. X, replace the x with 10 minus y. It would be 10 minus y times y equals 24. Got it? Let's just multiply them with y. 10y, it would be 10y minus, it would be 10y minus y square equals 24. So shift that, rearrange the equation. It would be negative y square plus 10y minus 24 equals 0. Multiply the equation with a negative sign. It would be then y square minus 10y and plus 24 equals 0. You can solve this equation either using the wait, let me I forgot quadratic equation formula, or either you can factorize the equation. I'm going to factorize the equation. 6 times 4 is 24. It would be then y square minus 6y minus 4y equals 24 plus 24 equals 0. Y common, you are left with y minus 6, minus 4 common, you are left with y minus 6. So you have two of the values, y minus 4 and y minus 6 equals 0. Got it? That means you have two of the values for y. They are y equals 4 and y equals 6. Let's just substitute both the values in this equation and find the value of x. X plus y equals 10. The equation is x plus y equals 10. Replace the y with the value. It would be x plus 4 equals 10. So x has the value 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. That means when x equals 4, y is 6. Then x plus 6 equals 10. So it would be x equals 10 minus 6. It is 4. So you have to, uh, when x equals 6, y is 4. And when y equals x equals 4, y equals 6. That means the two numbers are 4 and 6. Got it? The two of the values are 4 and 6. It would be the first option. Got it? What I did, let me just explain once again. It's a bit long question, but what I did, you are given with the area and the parameter. Got it? The area is 24 square centimeters and the parameter is 20 centimeter. We know that the parameter, the area of the rectangle is length time width. Length is x and width is y. It would be xy equals 24. Got it? And the parameter is sum of all four sides. So the two of the sides are x and two of the sides are y. It would be then 2x plus 2y equals 20. So what, take 2 common from this equation, because you have 2 with both x and y. You can take common 2 and divide the equation by 2. Equation is then x plus y equals 10. Got it? So now we have two of the equations. One of them is xy equal 24 and one of them is x plus y equals 10. Got it? What I did, I use the substitution method. I find the value of x from equation number 2. From equation number 2, x is then equals 10 subtract y. Got it? Let's just substitute the equation of the value of x in equation number 1. Replace the x with the value. It would be 10 subtract y. Multiply y. Y times 10 is 10y and y times y is negative y square. Rearrange the equation, it would be then negative y square plus 10y minus 24. Multiply the equation with a negative sign, it would be then y square minus 10y plus 24 equals 0. You can solve the equation either using the quadratic formula or either using the factorization method. I solved this equation using factorization method. I got two values of y, they are 4 and 6. So use any of the value, the values are same. When x is 6, y is 4. When x is 4, y is 6. That means either of these sides are 6 and 4. Got it? So the correct option is 4 and 6. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. So you have to form two of the equations in this case. Got it? Okay, the rectangular balcony has a perimeter 24. It has the area 32. What is the dimensions of the? That's exactly the same thing. But thing we are going to do. We have two of the options. Let's just use these options and do the question easily. Got it? Let me explain how can use these two options to find the correct option. Got it? Because that's the method I did. It's a bit long. Okay, you have the perimeter 24 feet and on the area 32 square feet. When you are not given with the options, you have to use the method I used. Got it? Okay. The options you are given are 4846. 4846. Okay, we know that the parameter is it's a rectangular shape again. Got it? If this is x, this is x. If this is y, this is y. Got it? Because the rectangular has other opposite sides equal in length. Got it? So parameter must be 2 times x plus y because 2x plus 2y equals 24. And area is x times y equals 32. Divide this equation by 2 and you'll get the equation that is x plus y equals 12. Okay, let's check for the first option. When you multiply them, 4 times 8. 4 times 8 makes 32. Both sides are equal. When you add them, the same pair, 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 makes 22. Both sides are equal. That means 4, 8 is the correct option. Got it? You don't need to do the long calculations because you are given with the options. Just use the option and find the correct answer. So the correct answer is 4 and 8. Got it? So the correct option is the first one, 4 and 8. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, a poster is 3 feet tall and 2 feet wide. What is its area? It is 3 feet tall and 2 feet wide poster. That means it's a rectangular shape. The area of the rectangular shape is length time width. It would be 3 times 2 is 6. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. The next topic is volume. Let's start with the next topic, that is the volume. Okay, let's start with the next topic. The next topic is from the same chapter, geometry, and the topic name is volume. Okay, what is the volume of the given cylinder? Let's start with the test questions. You can solve the tutorial solve questions by yourself. Got it? Let's start with the one. What is the volume of the cylinder? It has the height 10 inches. Okay, let me. Okay, it has the length 10 inches. This is actually the cylinder. Height is 10 inches and the radius is mm, the radius is 4 inches. Got it? Okay, so we have to use the formula for the volume of the cylinder is V equals pi r square h. That is the formula for the volume of the cylinder. Got it? Just substitute the values. We know that pi has a value 3.14. Just use the value 3.14. Replace all the variables with the values. So 3.14, r is 4 square, and h is 10. Got it? 4 square is 16. 16 times 10 is 160. Let's just multiply them. Uh, where is the calculator? 160 times 3.14. That means it is 502.4. You can inches. You can you count off the numbers, but not in the question. You have the answer. You answer is 502.4, so it is 502.4 cubic inches. Got it? This is the formula you have to use for the volume of the cylinder. Just note down the formula, memorize it, and use whenever you have to find the value of the when you have to find the volume of the cylinder. Got it? It is 502.4. Got it? If you have any question, just write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. Got it? Okay, now the next one is the volume of the triangle. Let me just note down the dimensions, then we'll start with the question. Okay, it has the length. Let me just note down the values. Just 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it has the base, height, and a length. So it is actually a triangular prism. Got it? So the base is 10, height is 9, and length is 5. Got it? Base is 10 millimeters, height is 9 millimeters, and length is 5 millimeters. Got it? It is actually a triangular prism. Got it? So you have to find the volume of the triangular prism. The volume of the formula to find the volume of the triangular prism is V equals half times base times height times length. Got it? Whenever you have to find the volume of the prism, just use this formula, that is half times base times length. Just substitute all the values. It would be half times 10 times 9 times 5. Got it? Just multiply all the values. 10 times 9 is 90, and 90 times 2 is 90 times 5 is 450. It would be then 450 divided by 2. So it would be 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 7 is 14. It would be 275. 450 divided by 2. Let me just divide. It is 450 divided by, it is 225, sorry, not 275. Got it? It would be 225. And the unit is, it is, I think, cubic. Yes, cubic millimeter. Volumes have always the units cubic millimeter. Got it? Cubic, and you can see the units from here. It would be cubic millimeter. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is a cube. Got it? You have to find the volume of the cube. So it is, okay, the volume of the cube is, you have to find the volume of the cube. You can note down these formulas. Volume of the cube must equals V equals side times side times side. Got it? So the side length given is 2 meters because it's a cube, so it has all three sides equal in length. They are 2 meters. Just substitute the values and find the value. Sorry, it would be 2 times 2 times 2. Got it? So it is 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 2 is, it would be 8 cubic meter. Got it? So just select the correct option. It would be 8 cubic meter and then click on the OK button. Got it? If you have any question, just write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. Okay, again, it's a cylinder and the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Got it? Volume of cylinder. You can note down these formulas. They're very important. Just memorize them and use them whenever you have to. Sorry, no, it is volume equals pi r square h. Got it? Just substitute the values. Pi has a fixed value that is 3.14. R, the radius of this cylinder is 9 and height is 10. It would be 9 square and it would be 10. It would be 3.14. 9 times 9 is 81 and 81. 810 times 3.14. Let me just use the calculator. 810 3.14. 810 times it would be 2534 cubic, and I don't know the units of the other, cubic yards. Got it? It would be 2534.2, I think. 2534. 2543 actually. Let me, yes, 2543.4. That is the first option is the correct one. Got it? Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. Got it? If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? The next one is surface area. The next topic is the surface area. Got it? Let's start with the next topic, that is the surface area. Okay, now you have to find the surface areas for all the given shapes. Got it? Let's start with the test. Okay, this is a triangular prism. Got it? You have to find the surface area of the triangular prism. Got it? Let's start with the surface area of triangular prism. Okay, you have to find the first question is you have to find the surface area of triangular prism. Got it? Okay, to find the surface area of the triangular prism, you have to calculate the area of all the faces. Got it? So the total faces the triangular prism has, 1, the opposite one, 2, for this one and the opposite one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the base. So it has 5 faces. So you have to calculate the area of each face. Got it? Let's start with calculating area of. We have to find area of each face. Got it? Let's start with the triangular face, the front one. Got it? Okay, it has the measurements. Height is 12. No, sorry, height is 8 and base is 12. This is 8 centimeter and this is 12 centimeter. Got it? The height is 8. So it has the area half times, the triangle has the area half times base times height. Got it? It would be 12 times 8 is 48, and 48 times 12 times 8 is 96, I think. Yes, it is 96. 96 divided by 2 is 48. So you have a same face on in the opposite side. Got it? That triangular face, and it has the same lengths. This one is 8 and then this one is 12. Use the same formula to find the area of the other face. It would be 48. Got it? Because they have the same side length, so they have the same areas. Got it? Then you have a square. This one, this face. Got it? It has the 10 and 10. It is a rectangular. It would be, it have two lengths. They are It is actually a square, not the mm, it is a it has 10 and 10. So area of the square is always side times side. It would be a 100. Got it? Same as you have another face on the back side, it would be 10 times 10, it would have 100. Now you have to find the area of the base. Got it? The base is a triangular shape. So base has the dimensions, uh, 12 and 10. Got it? It's a triangular shape, 12 and 10. So the area of the triangular shape is length time width. It would be 120. So to find the surface area, you have to add all the, so the surface area of the rectangular prism is add up all the area faces of all the areas. 48 plus 48 plus 100 plus 100 plus 120, and this would be the a surface area of the triangular prism. Got it? 200, it is 120. 320 and 320 plus 96 is 416 square centimeter. Got it? This way you have to find the surface area of the triangular prism. Got it? You have to find the surface area. You have to find the areas of all the faces separately, and then you have to add them to find the surface area of triangular prism. Got it? It is 416 square centimeter. Okay, the next one is, it's again a triangular prism, so you have to do the same thing. Got it? So the area of the square face, the triangular face is, the area of the triangular face is 6 times half times 6 times 4. This one. This is 4. This is 6 mm. So it would be half times 6 times 4. It would be 24, 12. You have the same face on the other side. Got it? So it has the same area. Again, it is 12. Got it? Then you have the, this is rectangle 8 and 5. 8 and 5. You have to do length time width. It's a rectangle. It is 40. You have the same face on the other side. It would be 5 and 8. So it has the 40. Just now, just find the area of the base. Base has 8 and 6. Base is again a rectangle. It has 6, 8. It would be 8. So for the surface area, add the areas of all the faces. 12 plus 12 plus 40 plus 40 plus 48. It would be 24 and 80. 104. Let me just add them. Use the calculator. 24 plus 80 plus 48. It would be 152. Got it? It would be, when you add them, it would be 152 cubic millimeters. Got it? Yes, it is 122, not square. Sorry, it is a square millimeters. Got it? Okay, the next one is, if it's a rectangle. Oh, yes, it is a square. You have to find the surface area of the square. Got it? So let's see how can we find the surface area of the cube. It is a cube. So let's see how can we find the surface area of the cube. It has the side length 3 millimeters. Okay, you have to find the area of one face, because it has all the same side lengths. 3 meter. Okay, 3 millimeter and 3 millimeter. So area of a single face is area equals side times side. It would be 3 times 3 equals 9. So the cube has total how many faces? The cube has total 6 faces. So the surface area must be 6 times 9, it would be 54. Got it? Because it is a cube, all the sides are the squares. Got it? And the area of one side is 9. So square has 6 faces. Just multiply 6 times 9. So it would be 54. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Oh, let's do the surface area of the cylinder also. Got it? Okay, the surface area of the cylinder is, because we have done with triangular prism, cube, and but we haven't done any with the cylinder. So let's just do one with the cylinder. Okay, so you have the, it looks like this. So it has the values 1 feet and 2 feet. 1 feet at its radius or diameter. It is the diameter. Got it? The complete length from here to here must be the diameter. That this isn't the radius. Got it? Okay, so you have to find the, so first of all you have to find the radius. Radius is diameter divided by 2. Diameter is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. That means this is actually the half value from here to here. This is the radius. So radius is 1 feet. Got it? Okay, the radius is 1, height is also 1. So you have to find the area of this one, top and bottom, they are the same, and then you have to area of the find you have to find the area of the uh, first let's just find the area of top. It would be pi r square. It is circular shape, so it would be pi r square. Pi is 3.14, r is 1, that means it is 3.14. The bottom has the same area. Got it? It would be the area of the bottom is 3.14 because it has the same dimensions. Got it? So now you have to find the circumference of the top circle. Got it? It would be then C equals 2 pi r. 2 times 3.14 times 1. It would be 6.28. Got it? Okay, the area of the side for this side. Got it? It would be area of side is circumference type height. Circumference of the circle is 6.28 times 1. So it would be 6.28. So for the surface area, you have to add area of top, area of bottom, and area of the side. Got it? Add up all the values. They are 3.14, 3.14, and 6.28. 3.14 plus 3.14 plus 6.28. Let me just use the calculator and end up all the values. It would be, I think, 12 point something. 3.14 plus 3.14 plus 6.28. It would be 12.56. Got it? So the correct option is, it would be then 12.56. Got it? So the correct option is 12.56. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. The next topic is the similar figures, side lengths, and angle measures. Got it? Let me write down the lesson name. The lesson, next lesson is similar figures, side lengths, similar figures, side lengths, and angle measures. Okay, let's start with the next topic. Here it is. Okay, if these two figures are similar, what is the measure of the missing angle? Got it? So they are similar. Got it? So since the shapes are similar, the measure of the missing angle is also 90 degrees. Got it? Because they are the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles in similar shape have the same measure. So the missing angle and 90 are the corresponding angles. So that means the missing angle is 90 degrees. Got it? Let's do practice questions so that we can understand the concept because they are already solved. You can do them by yourself. Okay, the next one is, okay, let's start with the test. Okay, if these two shapes are similar, what is the measure of the missing side length? You have to find the measure of the missing side length. So how can we find the missing side length? We have to form a proportion actually, ratio actually. So the given sides are, let me draw them on board. Mm, it looks like this, sorry. Okay, yes, like this, then this, and here we have, okay, 27 kilometers. Then you have a missing side, and then you have the second one that has the measurements 24 kilometers and 64 kilometers. So basically you have to form the proportions of the given sides. Got it? The short, both the sides, the given same sides, they are the same one. So just form a proportion. It would be 27 over 24. Got it? So this, then you have to do, then form a proportion for the longer sides. It would be t divided by 64. Got it? So just solve this equation for t. It would be 27 times 64 over 24 equals t. Just solve the value, multiply all the values. It would be 27 times 64 is 1728 divided by 24. So you have to divide 1728 divided by 24. It is 72. That means the missing length is 72. It would be 72 kilometers. Whenever you are working on these similar shapes, just form the proportions. Got it? And then you have to equate them because you have to solve them for a variable. So you can find the missing value this way. Got it? Okay, the next one is just select the correct option, then click on the OK button and let's start with the next one. Mm, it is for 72. We just click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, if these two shapes are similar, what is the measure of the side length of T? Okay, just form a proportion. They are similar. So it would be, okay, just form a proportion of the similar sides. So it would be then 12 yards and 2 yards. 12 divided by 2. Okay, and then for the proportion for the b divided by 1 yards. Got it? We then b divided by 1 yards. Got it? Just solve the value for b. It would be then 12 times 1 divided by 2. 12 times 1 is 2. 12 and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So it would be b equals 6 yards. Got it? That means the missing side length is 6 yards. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Whenever you're working on the similar sides, just form a proportion of the sides. Like for this one, the greater side and the shorter side. So let's form the proportion for the greater side. It would be d over 4. It would be d divided by 4. And then for the shorter side, it would be 1 divided by 2. So just solve the value for d. D equals 4 times 1 over 2. It would be 4 over 2, and 4 over 2 is 2. Got it? So the correct option is 2 yards. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you have to find they are the similar sides. You have to find the angle of the you have to find the missing angle. So how can you find the missing angle when you are working on the similar figures? So the missing angle is 100, it is 63. When you rotate the figure, this is corresponding to this one. Just rotate this figure. Got it? It would be corresponding to 63 because you have to match the corresponding parts. Got it? So when you rotate the figure, it would match to the 63. Got it? So the correct option is 63. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we have done with the topics. We have, let me just, so we have completed all the 4 topics. They are area and perimeters. We have covered the 4 topics, area and perimeter word problems. Then we have done the volume. Then we have done with the surface area, and we have just completed similar figures, lengths and angle measures. Got it? We have completed 4 of the topics today. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions we did today. If you have any problem, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Uh, Please click on the like button if you find the session helpful for you. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.